Hello everyone. Hi, welcome to a brand new episode of Skinfully Yours, powered by Wild Earth in conversation with Shapya Walia. And today my Instagram is bursting with, followers, people who are waiting because we have a very special guest today, and and we already have a lot of people joining in. There's Sri Chandana, there's Janisha, Rahel fan Sri Lanka, Sejal Gupta, Saif. Hi everyone, lovely to see you. Hi Kajal, hi SOS, hi Ravi, hi, lovely to see you. Hi, I'm so happy to see so many. Our Instagram has been bursting with questions, with requests. Since the time we've announced that we are going to have her, and I can't stop dancing to the beats myself. The song is so catchy, and I feel it's already night, and I should dance to the Navratri beats. So yes, I'm as excited as you are. Hi Ink and Bliss, hi 00 Ali, hi Raveen, hi Ishwa Amjad, hi. So we'll just give 1 or 2 minutes, and then we will take on our guest. I'm waiting for her to join, and I'm for all those who don't know who it is, we're going to have the Hello Re Hello girl Haley Shah today with us, and I myself am so excited to have her. Hi Sadekur81, hi Soumya, hi, and there are so many hearts coming in for Haley. I'm sure that all of you are excited to have her. So there are lots of Haley Shah clubs, so I'm watching out when Haley will join, because we'll be starting in like a few minutes, so just hold on. And if you're from India, it's the correct chai time, and you can get your cup of chai. And I've got some requests for questions already, and you guys can ask questions yourself. You can post them in the comments. We'll be selecting some winners too, and they'll be getting some Wild Earth goodies. For those of you who don't know, Wild Earth is a natural skincare brand. I am the founder of Wild Earth, and Skinfully Yours is a series where we talk to celebrities about their skincare routines, what they do, how they take care of themselves, and how the perception of beauty has evolved for them. But of course, with Haley, we will be asking a lot more. We'll ask her about her song, how it's catching up, how it was, working with dancing on the beats of Mikka. So I'm just waiting for Haley to come. She'll be here anytime. So keep those hearts coming. Keep posting your comments in the video. And once Haley joins us, we'll be taking some of the questions. We'll give few shout outs too, and we will be also selecting some of the best comments for free goodies today. So yes, the questions are already here. I can see a lot of them. And yes, do remember to follow us. Follow our page wildearth.in. For those of you who have not done it, you can right now go while we wait for Haley to join us. Please go and follow the page, follow us, because every week we come with a special guest and we do these wonderful interviews on Insta. So do follow us, and you'll also get a lot of skincare tips, how to take care of yourself, wellness. So do remember to follow us on our page. And okay, I am waiting for Haley to join. Once she joins us, I'll be inviting her. So just hold on, guys. Just hold on for a few more minutes. Hi, RR Alcoholic. Hi, Bubbly. Hi, Divya. Hi, Neharika. Hi, Rima. Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to have you all. Hi, Riddhi. Hi. I hope we have a great time today. Yes, we will ask Haley why isn't she posting new YouTube videos. Yes, we will definitely ask her. Hi, Rima. Sorry, I've got a bit of an allergy today, so I've been sneezing since morning, so excuse me for that. Hi Indra Datta. Hi Sarah Jain. Yes, we will ask Haley about her new projects, about the other things she's doing apart from the Halo Re Halo video, which is, I hope all of you have seen it. So let's have in the comments hashtag Halo Re Halo, all of you. Do write so when Haley comes in, she can see all these comments coming in. Uh, let's wait a few more minutes for her. We're building on the suspense. Hi Smriti Snow. Hi. Hi Haley XOXO. Hi Fauzia. Hi Neha. Hi. Yes, hashtag Halo Re Halo. Let's make the song viral. Hi Haley's Vogue. Yes, and Haley is here, guys. So let's welcome her. So I have already added her, and very soon she'll be with us. Yes. So I have sent an invite to Haley to join us. And hopefully she'll be here very soon. Haley, can you hear me? Okay, guys, just one sec. I'm trying to get Haley on with me.
Hi.
Hi, finally!
Sent you request times but कुछ तो network का issue हो रहा था. How
Okay. How are you, Haley? I have been, your fans have bombarded me with questions and requests and things to ask you since the time I've announced you're coming on the show. So
first
much love.
yeah,
Can you see all the comments for you? See so many comments for you.
देखी मैंने like people are asking so many questions and yeah. Hi guys. Hi.
So, Haley, how is Halo Re Halo? How is the response to it? I'm sure it's such a catchy song. I myself am dancing to it.
Response is great. Everybody's liking the song and I think that makes all of us happy because that's what we wanted, right?
Yeah.
So
And somewhere I was reading about it. मैं कहीं पढ़ रही थी कि it was shot in a day, the whole song.
yeah. It was shot just 2 days before it got released. I mean, we shot it on 5th and we released the song on 7th.
Wow, you
Yeah,
edited
that's
it,
very
you did everything in 2 days.
या टू क्विक मतलब हम खुद भी हम लोग काफी सरप्राइज थे दैट इतनी जल्दी सारी चीजें हो रही है बट वी हैड टू रिलीज द सॉन्ग ऑन द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ नवरात्रि आई थिंक दैट वाज द प्लान सो
Huh.
हाँ
Wow.
या
And tell me, how did the song come about? I mean, was it that you auditioned for it, or did it fall in your lap, or just tell us the journey? How did it come to you?
no actually I just heard this song and see being a Gujarati I think you know गरबा एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक आई नो कि कैसे गाने मुझे पर्सनली पसंद है और कैसे गानों पे आप गरबा कर सकते हो एंड आई हर्ड दिस सॉन्ग आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड दिस इज लाइक अ रियल नंबर आई वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट एंड देन आई सेड यस बिकॉज फॉर मी यू नो connection with this song is very important बाकी सारी चीजें बाद में आती है so when I liked this song I was like okay let's do this
Yeah, and of course you've been a part of the TV industry and you're an actress, and but you've done so well with all that energy. So what do you enjoy most? I mean, are you a dancer in real life? Like, do you like to dance? How do you chill?
See, I like to dance, but जब normally अगर like in house party or anywhere you go, if you dance, so my dance is more like very freestyle. जो मन में आया वो कर लिया.
हाँ,
गणपति,
हाँ,
like you just go all out, and you don't necessarily do steps and all that. But obviously when you have to perform, then I need somebody to teach me. फिर मैं खुद नहीं कर
हाँ,
सकती. So I always need a choreographer or somebody to teach me. तो मैं कर लूंगी. मतलब आई कैन नॉट लर्न ऑनलाइन, और मैं किसी को ऐसे फोन में देख देख कर आई कैन नॉट लर्न डांसिंग. आई मीन दैट्स व्हाट इट्स देयर. सो
हाँ.
आई नीड समबडी फिजिकली प्रेजेंट बिसाइड्स मी, एंड सिखाने के लिए. बट आई
तो
एंजॉय डांसिंग. बट आई
ये गाना
एंजॉय डांसिंग.
गरबा का गाना था and you are a Gujarati. So how many days did you rehearse for it?
ज्यादा नहीं, मतलब अगर मैं आवर्स में बताऊं तो वी आई रिहर्स्ड फॉर 4-5 hours.
That's it?
एक्चुअली वो भी मैं हमने जो सीखा था वो काफी अलग था. फिर ऑन फ्लोर काफी चीजें चेंज होती रही है. सो आई थिंक दैट्स क्वाइट नॉर्मल, थिंग्स चेंज ऑन फ्लोर. उस टाइम पे क्या बेटर लगता है उस हिसाब से. बट ज्यादा नहीं किया था.
Wow. So Haley, let's talk a little bit about the team behind the song. I think your fans would love to. I mean, who sung it, who's choreographed it? If you would like to tell us. I know Mika's
Yeah,
one
everybody
of the.
actually knows. Yeah, Mika and Payal Dev, they both have sung the song, and Aditya has composed the song.
Okay.
Yeah, and Adu sir, he's choreographed the song entire like sequence, and directed. So yeah.
Okay. Some of your fans have asked me in the past 2-3 days to ask you कि आप YouTube वीडियोस क्यों नहीं पोस्ट कर रहे आज तो प्लीज अभी आंसर करो क्योंकि वरना वो मेरी पिटाई कर देंगे.
मैं क्यों नहीं कर रही हूँ? बिकॉज आई एम नॉट, आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट वांट टू बी मोनोटोनस. मुझे एक ही तरीके का, लाइक इफ आई एम गिविंग यू समथिंग, तो आई हैव टू बी क्रिएटिव इनफ टू शो यू समथिंग. एंड अगर वही सेम रेपिटेटिव कुछ मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी, तो आई ऑल्सो डोंट फील दैट आई शुड फिल्म इट. सो दैट्स द रीजन
Okay.
आई एम नॉट वेरी एक्टिव. बट ऑन
Okay.
एंड ऑफ मैं कुछ ना कुछ आप सबके लिए लाती रहूंगी.
हाँ.
I don't want to
तो
like promise that I'll post every week, or like every 5 days, 6 days. I don't want to do that because I know that's not going to happen. But हाँ, जब भी
So
मुझे कुछ
until you
लगेगा.
have something unique to offer, you don't want
Yeah,
to really.
exactly.
Yeah. So Haley, tell me, you are in an industry which is largely perceived by beauty, right? There are certain, conventional beliefs about beauty. So tell me, as you were growing up, did you always know that you wanted to be an actress, or was it, or did it just
No, no,
happen?
no, no. It just happened actually. I never wanted to become an actor, so I accidentally actually gave an audition, and I got selected, and then things just happened. So उस तरीके से सारी चीजें हुई थी. I was never inclined towards this field particularly.
Okay. And now that you are such an active part of it, I mean, did you think that if you wouldn't have been an actor, where would you be? What would be your alternate profession, if I may ask?
I think I was like I was just destined to be an actor, but if not, I think a doctor.
Oh, you would have been a doctor.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So really, this show is called Sinfully Yours, okay? And I
Yeah.
wanted to ask you कि जब हम बड़े हो रहे होते हैं तो सबका एक मेमोरी होता है. जैसे मुझे याद है कि मेरी मम्मी मुझे हर संडे पकड़कर तेल वेल लगा देती थी बालों में, and I didn't like it. So what
Yeah.
is your earliest memory of either your nanny or your mom or your dadi doing some kind of skincare or hair care thing for you? जब मतलब जब आप नहीं ज्यादा जानते हो कि ये क्यों हो रहा है, but
Correct.
आपको करना पड़ता
Correct.
है.
I think multani mitti. Like that's one gharelu nuskha I think every Indian household has done. Like mummiya ya dadi ya when you're growing up and puberty and you get pimples and stuff. So
Yes.
that one constant you have in your life is multani mitti. पानी में या फिर रोज वाटर में आप मिक्स करके मम्मी ऐसे लगा दी. या कई बार तो मैंने ये भी किया है कि ओवरनाइट लगा कर मैं सोई हूँ, जस्ट होपिंग दैट द पिंपल्स गो अवे.
पिंपल चला जाए.
because I used to get like really painful pimples,
Yeah.
bade pimples, and yeah. So yeah, तो वो एक चीज है I think. And then what else? I think masoor dal also my mom used to apply on my skin because it's like a natural exfoliant, right? Like एकदम
Yes.
scrub कर देता है,
कर
and it
देता
also
है. Yes.
tightens the skin. Like it's honestly मेरे को आज भी बहुत पसंद आता है. Like the glow that it gives, after the wash.
Yeah.
It's really nice. So
Yeah.
yeah, I think ये दो दो तो
ये
है
बहुत
मुझे
अच्छा
अभी
टिप
ऐसे
है.
याद है.
हाँ, ये बहुत
Yeah,
अच्छा टिप
yeah,
है. जिनको साबुन नहीं यूज करना होता है फेस पे, यू कैन यूज
correct.
पाउडर्ड ओट्स, यू कैन यूज मसूर की दाल, यू कैन मिक्स
Yes,
बेसन, यू कैन मिक्स इट विद अ
basin.
लिटिल
Yeah.
दूध एंड
Basin. Correct. I forgot basin, but
या
basin's also like that one thing जो हमेशा हमारे साथ रहेगी. Basin and dahi, or basin. And if you have dry skin, you can add a little bit of oil, or anything. I don't know, but
या
yeah.
सो हेली, हमारी एक डेफिनेशन होती है खासकर इंडिया में कि ये ब्यूटीफुल है, ये ब्यूटीफुल नहीं है. हम लोग लोगों को बॉक्सेस में डाल देते हैं ना. गोल चेहरा हो, इवन व्हेन अ बेबी इज बॉर्न वी स्टार्ट सेइंग अरे चेहरा, नाक थोड़ी सी टपकी है, नाक थोड़ी लंबी होती
Yeah,
है,
yeah.
which is very sad. What is
Which is
your
very
idea
sad.
of,
Which is very sad.
yeah, what is your idea of beauty? What makes a person beautiful in your eyes?
I think you firstly stop judging people and stop assuming and giving your judgments कि ये ऐसे होता तो better होता, ये थोड़ा सा ठीक हो गया होता तो कमाल हो जाता. No, I think God has made you and He's made you beautiful. You are beautiful the way you are. मतलब stop. Hold on, huh?
Yeah.
स्टूडियो में जाना हो, स्टूडियो में छोड़ के आओ. कौन सा स्टूडियो में?
211.
211. हाँ.
ठीक है. Sorry.
No.
सो वो चीज मुझे बहुत गलत लगती है. ऑल्सो पीपल आर लाइक हाँ ये थोड़ी सावली है, या ये सावला है, ये चेहरा ऐसा
Yeah.
है.
There's so much about color. Yeah.
Which exactly, which is so wrong. So yeah, that's sad actually that people still do that. और कितने सालों से ये चलता आ रहा है.
But what makes a person beautiful in your eyes? Like किसी को देख के ऐसा लगा, even if it's a man or a woman, कि यार कितना सुंदर इंसान है. What makes you say that? What is that quality, or I mean, besides looks?
See, I think I'm not somebody जो सबसे पहले looks और उन सारी चीजों पे ध्यान देगा. I think मुझे warmth उस इंसान से कैसा फील होता है, मुझे क्या कनेक्शन लगता है, what kind of vibe I get from that person. I think that matters for me more.
The most. Yeah.
एटीट्यूड है आपका, चीजों को देखने का जो नजरिया है. I think all those things matter more for me than like looks and everything. Like everything is very secondary. So
Secondary.
yeah.
So Ellie, tell me, you are. I know you were doing daily shows, and now you're on a break, but you were doing daily shows. जहाँ पे रोज सेट पे जाके आपको मेकअप लगाना पड़ता है. रोज मेकअप लगाना पड़ता है. रोज you have to apply these layers of. So, first of all, do you enjoy it? I mean, do you enjoy putting on makeup every day? And you do it.
Yeah, I mean, I enjoy. I have actually off late started enjoying makeup. I'll not
Wow.
say that I always loved makeup. In my last show, we experimented a lot with makeup. So I think that's when I realized that I think you can be so much creative with makeup, and you can experiment so much with makeup. And I think that's when I realized that I like, buying makeup also, and maybe applying makeup also.
Wow. So जब नहीं शूट कर रहे होते हो, जिस दिन घर पर रहते हो, what is your normal skincare routine? How do you take care of yourself? Somebody who has to apply makeup as a occupational hazard every day, or maybe it's not a hazard for you, you enjoy it. It is an occupational hazard for me. I hate putting on makeup and lipstick. But
if I'm not shooting, I hate makeup. Like I'll say that I do not apply even a lip balm.
Yeah.
My face is like absolutely with no makeup, no product, because I feel कि अब अगर मैं 12 घंटे या normal भी if I'm applying makeup, then there has to be days जब मेरी skin को उतना breathe करने का मौका मिलना चाहिए. And so most of the days, like these days I'm not regularly shooting. I'm not shooting for a daily show basically.
Sure. Yeah.
So I don't apply makeup until and unless I know that I'm supposed to shoot something, or I'm supposed to go somewhere where I need to be a little presentable.
But what are the few things you definitely do, whether externally or internally, for your skin, for healthy skin? Because an actor के लिए तो skin बहुत important है, skin hair. So what do you do to take care of your skin? Maybe on the days when you're not shooting, when you have free time, what do you do to look like this, like $1 million? How you look?
I don't have a particular, regime or anything of that sort. कभी कभी जो मन में आता है मैं वैसे करती हूँ. I mean, there are days when I feel that, let's just pamper the face, like pamper the skin, uh, uh, what do you say, sheet masks, and I really like clay masks. तो clay mask लगा लिया, कभी कभी रात में सोने से पहले sheet mask लगा लिया. I think it just hydrates the skin, or it's like a one step thing. जिसमें मुझे लगता है कि my skin मतलब जो भी चाहिए होता है वो उसको मिल जाता है. And I think on a regular basis you do moisturize your face, and like regular moisturization and all those things, I think it's important. But along with that मुझे लगता है खाना आप क्या खाते हो वो ज्यादा मैटर करता है. वो ज्यादा दिखता है. Like what you eat, I think it just shows on your face and skin and everywhere. So वो ध्यान रखना ज्यादा जरूरी होता है. And I think sleep also. मतलब I'll never compromise on sleep.
Yeah. Have you ever done that blunder of going to sleep with makeup on?
Yeah. Yes, I have.
Yeah. Okay.
Abhi recently, 2 months ago, actually, I was in Chandigarh and we were shooting for something. Or I packed up around 3 actually, and I was so sleepy, and I had woken up by बहुत जल्दी उठी थी. And then I was like, I don't have the energy to remove makeup, और मैं सो ही गई थी. And I knew that I'm supposed to wake up by 8, तो मुझे वैसे भी 3 घंटे की नींद मिलने वाली थी. So I was like, ठीक है, अब 3 घंटे बाद ही, अभी इतना मेकअप रखा है तो 3 घंटे और रख लूंगी. So I went to sleep. Yeah.
So tell me, you said that eating right is very important, okay? And you are a Gujarati.
Yes.
And how do you then manage? Because Gujarati में तो मतलब ढोकला से लेकर इतनी अच्छी अच्छी चीजें मिलती है. They're very fond of chaats and snacks. How do you maintain the balance?
No, I eat actually. मेरा मन करता है तो मैं खा लेती हूँ, and then खाने के तुरंत बाद मैं guilty भी feel करती हूँ. Because I am not one of those blessed souls जो कुछ भी खा सकती है. I cannot afford to do that because मैं जो भी खाऊंगी तुरंत दिखेगा face पे, body पे, हर जगह. So but yeah, I still eat because मुझे ऐसा लगता है यार ठीक है, food is something that makes me very happy. So I'll not compromise on that. Yeah, I can हाँ थोड़ा सा restrict myself, but खा लूंगी मैं. Now coming to healthy eating, mostly जो meals होते हैं, I make sure that I am having my fruits and vegetables for the day. And फिर कुछ आप कभी गड़बड़ खा लेते हो तो एक मतलब गड़बड़ मील में मुझे नहीं लगता कि कुछ होता है. I mean that's what I like to believe.
That's good thinking, right? We can all have cheat days.
Yeah, absolutely. मतलब इतना भी अपने आप को वो मत कर लो कि आप दुखी हो जाओ.
हाँ, that's true. खुश रहना भी बहुत important है सुंदर दिखने के लिए, है ना? वो भी reflect करता है on your thought, the way you think. So really tell me, is there anyone you admire in terms of, like if I say, who is that, like if there is a celebrity or if there's an actress, national, international, whatever, who you would trust to buy your skincare or your makeup? Who would that? Someone you really idolize?
No, nobody.
No,
I don't
no
actually, because I feel everybody has different skin type. अगर कोई चीज किसी के लिए work करती है, it may not work for me. So मैं तो I think ज्यादा prefer करूंगी कि मुझे जो भी brand का या मैं जो भी खरीदना चाहती हूँ मैं वहाँ जाऊँ. I would actually ask them to recommend the product that would suit my skin type. I think that's a better that's a better thing to do, right? तो मैं नहीं follow करती हूँ. हाँ, कभी कभी किसी ने कुछ recommend किया and you some products do fascinate you, तो फिर you can go and just buy it.
Are you a conscious buyer or you go by the market
I'm a
trends? Like
very
are you
conscious. No, I'm a very
yeah,
conscious buyer. Very.
yeah, like you look
And
for maybe it's cruelty free, it's free of chemicals, natural. ये
yes,
सब
yes,
में
yes.
पढ़ते हो, label पढ़ते हो?
Yes, yes, yes. I am a
Yeah.
conscious buyer, and I am also uh, somebody who is trying to, be that minimalistic buyer also. मतलब, I don't want to go all out and have everything
Hoard,
in my closet.
hoard
Yeah,
makeup
closet.
and
No, 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 no. People do that, and at one point even I have done that. Like, not in terms of makeup and skincare, but maybe say shoes and some other stuff. But
oh,
now I realize that it's a
we don't
very,
need that much.
we
We
don't
don't
need that much. And जितनी कम चीजें, जितना minimal आपका lifestyle होगा, I think it just makes you more happy. I mean, that's what I've realized, and that's what I try to do.
Yeah, in the pandemic, I think a lot of people realized that we made do with such little things, and we were happy. और
Yeah,
realize कि 15 सेम कलर की जीन्स क्यों है? तो भी होगी तो किसी को नहीं पता चलेगा.
I swear, you just end up wearing that one jeans only.
Absolutely, So it's such a yeah. The pandemic has taught us a lot. So tell me, Haley, if you had to go, if you had to spend like 100 days on an island, and you could carry just one product with you, any whether it's skincare or makeup, what would you carry?
Oh my god. I think then I'll have a lip balm.
Okay.
बिकॉज हाँ, स्किन फिर भी चल जाएगी अगर ड्राई हो गई या कुछ हो गया, बट लिप्स ड्राई रहते हैं ना,
Yes.
देन यू डोंट फील लाइक गुड अबाउट इट, राइट?
Yeah.
आई
So you
थिंक
would carry a lip balm.
maybe I'll carry a lip balm, and बाकी स्किन मॉइस्चराइजेशन के लिए मैं वहां से कोई जुगाड़ कर लूंगी कि
हाँ.
पता नहीं कुछ
नारियल फोड़ के मैं
नारियल,
लगा लूंगी.
exactly, that's what I was going to say, कि नारियल का तेल या ऐसा कुछ, because I think that's like the best thing for the skin, so yeah.
Yeah. So Haley, what we do on the show is we select like one or two comments, at least two
Okay.
people who put in some comments, and I want you to see the recent ones and select two people who will get Wilder goodies from me.
Wow.
Yeah, for being a part of the live. But I want you to select those two people. If you can just scroll through and call out their names. And whoever Haley
Okay.
selects, you should send me your addresses and phone numbers on DM, and your prizes will reach you.
Wow. Lovely. Okay.
बहुत सारे हैं.
बहुत
I
सारे.
think 1698 people are watching us. That's why I said you can go through the recent ones and
I'm just trying to find something.
yeah, meaningful or something like that.
Okay, I think I don't know.
Okay, let me also go through. I'll also. We have people from Sri Lanka, we have people from Albania, we have people from so many countries watching us. It's amazing.
So will you be able to send there also? Like,
that's a question. Maybe we'll have to select people from India. Yeah.
और वो बाहर का हुआ, अब्रॉड का, तो फिर कैसे आप भेजोगे?
Your smile gonna kill us. And there are people from Pakistan. Oh wow. Love you, Haley. I love you. So many I love yous. Yeah. Lakshmi says hi, Haley ji.
Hi guys. Okay, we have.
Yeah.
रुक जाइए.
So those of you, while Haley decides on the comments, you can go and follow Haley on her page if you're not already following her. You can watch her song. You can hashtag hello re hello in the comments so that we make the song viral. And while you're doing that, also follow the wilder.in page for all skincare tips and tricks. And
Yes.
yes, there are so many comments. I've given really a very tough job today. I'm sorry.
काफी difficult है, but I think am I taking too much time? Okay, we
No,
have,
no, no. Please. Mm.
I don't know अभी ये कहाँ से है, but Hagar uh, 7 Akim. Okay, wait, I'll just can I take a screenshot or something?
Yes, yes, you can.
Then you can put it on your story, and then they can
Yes,
uh,
yes, yes. Yes, you can do that. Yeah, good idea.
Hagar_7 Akim. I think that's the Insta
Okay.
account. I doubt कि ये इंडिया का है.
अच्छा, आप सिलेक्ट कर लो, जो इंडिया का होगा उसको मिल जाएगा, जो नहीं होगा उसको मेरा प्यार मिलेगा, हम दोनों का. Laddu, you want to say hi to Haley Didi? See, yeah. Haley, look at Laddu. He's saying hi to you.
Laddu. Hi, Laddu.
Laddu. Hi. Hi to all the people watching us. He's
Okay.
just got up from his sleep, so he
30
has to come.
okay, skin related.
Okay, I think our network connection is a little weak.